What's good, y'all, boy? So, gotta go. In this video here, y'all see I got my whetstone. I'm going to sharpen my custom sword because I told y'all the blade got dull. You feel me? So, I'm going to sharpen my sword, and it's going to be, this video is more of like me sharpening my sword, and I'm gonna tell y'all what the little bit I know about it. Like, I've sharpened the sword before. It got a little sharp, but I didn't really know what I was doing. I knew I had to do it at like a 45-degree angle each time. So, like I said, this video here, I'm about to just sharpen my sword. So, hit that like and subscribe. Hope everyone enjoy, man. It's gonna be trial and error, so hey, let's get it. First thing to do, you know, is set the whetstone up, and when you get the water's next to me. It's just good to get some on the stone, rub it in, but just get it a little wet, you feel me? Like I said, I'm still learning this as well, so any tips will be helpful, you feel me? But let's get it. I like to do about like 5 times. That's 2, 3, 4. Some more water on it. 5. Switch sides. 2. 4. 5. 5 on each side. We're gonna do 10. So that's 5 on each side right now. All right. Oh shit. Okay, yeah. I already sharpened the blade a little bit. I didn't do it too much, but I sharpened it a little bit because before I recorded this, I wasn't trying to record a video where I completely just mess up. I'm not gonna lie, to be honest. So, in this here, I did it a little bit so the blade, trust, it's sharp now. It's sharp now. I done sharpened this joint up good in my opinion. You feel me? But yeah, so I'm gonna try and sharpen up my Toshido sword a little bit more because this one's sharp. If you sharpen your blade too much, the blade's gonna get thinner, and common sense, and the blade is easier to break because the blade's getting the the metal's getting thin. So this done sharpened, so that's good. You feel me? I'm happy about that. Now I'm about to grab Toshido sword. Let's get it. y'all gonna enjoy, man. If y'all like these sharpening videos, I could just keep recording when I sharpen a saw type shit. And yeah, so hit that like and subscribe, man.